gabi hanggang ngayon nagmamani. Ikaw ang lagi kong napaalam, maging gabi at araw ay hinahawalan. Ang ating nagdaan, hindi man magbalik, yan ay alaman ng pag-ibig. Ikaw ang lagi kong napapangarap, maging gabi at araw ay hindi nahahanap. Ang ating bagaan, hindi man magbalik, yan ay alaman ng pag-ibig. Ang ating nagdaan, man magbalik, yan ang alaman. Bakit mo siya?
Why? Yeah, you're crying na! Josh! Your girl is crying, huh? She's crying, Josh. You ask her.
What? Why are you crying, Grandma?
Why are you crying, Grandma? Ask her why.
Give Grandma 5 kisses, come on, so she won't cry.
Ay, sagutin niya.
5 hugs, so give Grandma 5 hugs.
Ang isang tulad mo.
How about your other grandma?
Oh, the other Grandma. Give her 5 kisses. Other way, go. 5 hugs.
She's crying also. She's crying also. Ask her why.
Laging sabi na lamang ay hirap ng
5 hugs, 5 hugs. Give her 5 hugs.
4 holes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ganyan, uupugin ka ng halik niya. Baka nakita ka niya nalulungkot, Mommy, why are you sad? Uupugin ng marami niya.
How about your grandpa?
kahit ng
Ay,